Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the control statement. While writing a program, there may be a situation when you need to adopt one path out of the given two paths. So, you need to make use of conditional statements that allow your program to make correct decisions and perform right actions. JavaScript supports conditional statements, which are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. These conditional statements are if-else statements. Here we have three types of if-else statement. First, only if statement. Second, if-else statement. And third, if-else-if statement. Now let's take a look at the if statement. The if statement is the fundamental control statement that allows JavaScript to make decisions and execute statements conditionally. Here, this is the syntax of if statement. Here, JavaScript expression is evaluated, and if the resulting value is true, then given statement are executed. If the expression is false, then this statement will not be executed. Most of the time, you will use comparison operator while making decisions. This is the simple example of if statement. Here we have variable a which contains value 10. Here I have written a condition a less than 5. If a less than 5, then this statement will be executed. But we know that this is absolutely false, then this statement will not be executed. Let's take a look at the output. So this is the output of our program. If I change the condition and make it if a greater than 5, save the program and now refresh our browser. So here this statement comes from the if block. So this statement is executed because our condition is true. Next, if-else statement. The if-else statement is the next form of control statement that allows JavaScript to execute statements in more controlled way. This is the syntax of if-else statement. Here, JavaScript expression is evaluated. If the resulting value is true, then if block statement will be executed. If resulting value is false, then the statement under the else block will be executed. Now let's take a look at the simple example of if-else statement. Here, this is very simple example of if-else statement. Here we have variable a which contains value 35. Here I have written a condition if a less than 35, then this statement will be executed, else this statement will be executed. Now let's check the output. So this is our output pass, which comes from the else statement. Next, if-else-if statement. The if-else-if statement is the one level advanced form of control statement that allows JavaScript to make correct decision out of several conditions. This is the syntax of if-else-if statement. This is very simple. Here else contains if condition. Here first of all expression 1 is evaluated. If the value is true, then this statement will be executed. Else it goes to expression 2. If expression 2 returning value is true, then this statement will be executed in the same way, and if none of the condition is true, then else block will be executed. Let's take a look at the example. Here this is the example of if else if statement. Here we have variable a which contains value 35. If a less than 35, then this statement will be executed and fail will return on the browser. Else if a greater than equal to 35 and a less than 60, if these both conditions are true, only then this statement will be executed. Else if it checks a greater than 60 and a less than 70. If these both conditions are true, only then this statement will be executed. If none of the above condition will true, then else statement will be executed. Now let's check the output. So here this is the output of if else if example. So I hope now you have clear idea about this control statement.